Hi everyone, welcome to Engineer Xplorer. Today, we're going to answer a very common question: how does AI learn? You probably know that AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing faces, understanding speech, playing games, and so on. But how do machines acquire this ability? How do they learn from data and experience? Well, the answer is not so simple, because there are many different types of AI and many different ways of learning. But one of the most popular and powerful methods of AI learning is called machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of AI that focuses on creating algorithms that can learn from data and improve themselves without being explicitly programmed. In other words, machine learning algorithms can learn from their own mistakes and successes, and adapt to new situations and goals. But how do machine learning algorithms learn? Well, there are three main steps: data, model, and feedback. Data is the raw material that machine learning algorithms use to learn. Data can be anything that contains information, such as images, text, audio, video, numbers, etc. The more data the algorithm has, the more it can learn from it. Model is the representation that machine learning algorithms use to process data and make predictions or decisions. The model can be a mathematical formula, a set of rules, a network of nodes and connections, or any other structure that can capture patterns and relationships in data. Feedback is the mechanism that machine learning algorithms use to evaluate their performance and improve their model. Feedback can be either supervised or unsupervised. Supervised feedback means that the algorithm has access to the correct answers or outcomes for the data it processes. For example, if the algorithm is trying to recognize faces and images, it knows which image belongs to which person. Supervised feedback allows the algorithm to compare its predictions with the correct answers and adjust its model accordingly. Unsupervised feedback means that the algorithm does not have access to the correct answers or outcomes for the data it processes. For example, if the algorithm is trying to group similar images together, it does not know which group each image belongs to. Unsupervised feedback allows the algorithm to discover patterns and structures in data without any guidance. By repeating these three steps over and over again, machine learning algorithms can learn from data and experience and become better at their tasks. So, that's how AI learns in a nutshell. Of course, there are many more details and nuances that we did not cover in this video, but we hope you got a general idea of how machines learn from data and experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.